Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to import ChatGPT data into Claude. All right, let's begin. First, open ChatGPT and start a new chat. Then send a prompt, asking ChatGPT to create a data packet that includes everything it knows about you. This will provide context for Claude. ChatGPT will respond with a detailed, easy to understand summary of the data. Once you have the data, copy all the relevant information. Now, head over to Claude. In Claude, go to your profile icon in the bottom left corner and select Settings. Under the Settings menu, find the option for what personal preferences should Claude consider in responses. Paste the copied data into this box. Finally, save the changes. Now, Claude will have all the general information about you and will use it to provide more contextually relevant responses based on your prompts. So that's basically how you can import ChatGPT data into Claude. That's it for this video. Thanks.